Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make money online with Etoro. My name is Gregory Shoniwa, that's my son and my daughter. Okay, this is a basic tutorial, the beginning of my tutorials on how to make money using the forex exchange. Now here I've just clicked just to unlock my feeds. Just created a new account with Etoro. Here it shows some of the top followers who have great potential of making winning trades. So I'm just going to take the basic top 5 so that every feed that comes through, at least I'll have a heads up on people who are experiencing the market, so I won't lose my money very quickly. Okay, so I guess it's finished, and I'll be probably getting a lot of feeds from these people, basically like Facebook. The good thing about Etoro is you actually log in through your Facebook account, so you can create a great community of trading. Okay, so I just want to show you the trading platform. It gives you the real platform, and you can also, if you're very skeptical of losing your money, you can go on the practice page. Oops, I think I'd already opened a practice page. Let me close this, and okay, yeah, here we go. In the practice mode, it gives you at least $10,000 to spend within the module. I like using US dollar and euro. They've got quite a number of good tools. Like here, let me just show you their candlestick graphs. These candlestick graphs, for those who do forex trading, is very helpful in estimating and predicting where the markets are going to go. I think it's slow loading. Let me just check it again. Usually I use these graphs just to give me a heads up on where exactly the trends are on a specific market pair, like the Euro USD, which is one of the most popular market trends around there. It's got a number of tools within it. Let me just minimize this. Within the trading platform, there are a number of things that can give you the ability to analyze, to just to give you a good decision making. Like here, let me go to trading tools, and it's just got a nice page that shows you basic trends of all the people who are in Etoro. If you on the market pairs, and it also gives you an illustration of the charts. There's the candlestick charts. Here we go. These candlestick charts, you can see the estimates in a minute, 5 minutes, depending on how you want to analyze. It's also got a nice economic events calendar, which you can configure to your basic timeline. I found this awesome because it gives you a heads up on certain things like economic bills in America and things like that. Let me just put it in my timeline. I'm from Zimbabwe, Harare. I'm about +1 on the Greenwich Meridian. And it can show you this is going to be a bullish trend. These are like the past bullish trends that have been there, how it's going to affect the British pound, the Great British pound, the euro. It's going to be very bullish, and it'll give you estimates. Let me open that. It'll show you the actual. This is something that has actually happened, and you can get an analysis to see where exactly the possibility of the trends are going. Let's just check the chart. So this is the basic Euro USD chart, and as you can see, it's very spiky. If I had put some trades there, I would have made a lot of money. It's got a number of tools, basic tools. I guess the guys who developed the system wanted us not to really flood your tools. So you've got your Mark D, your moving average, your Bollinger bearings, and let me just see. Yes, your moving average there, that just shows you basically how the markets is going. If you're a trader like me, you use this very powerful. It's a very powerful graph. Although yes, I would say you would need a number of tools here, but then you can change it within the minute, in the 5-minute, 30-minute, and just make an estimate of where exactly the markets are going to go. Remember, forex trading is very risky, so if you're going to invest in this, you have to invest it with money that you won't have a heart attack losing. Okay, so at least let's just try and make a trade. I'm seeing that the markets is going up, so let me just make a basic buy trade, which means I'm estimating the market is going to go up, so I'm going to buy my Euro USDs and see how it's going to go. Okay, so it'll pop up like that, and let's just see whether the markets are going to go up. As you can see, it looks like it's going down, but that's basically it. You know, if you look at the graph, you have to expect the upwards and downward movements of money markets, but this is a basic way of making money online. Let me just check this. Let me put it on the 5-minute and see. Okay, so we've hit the top of our Bollinger brackets, so it's probably going to go into a downward trend because we've got a red candlestick, just like how we've got on the previous trends behind there. It goes up and then it goes down, and then it goes up and then it goes down. It still looks like a general upward trend, so that's why I made the trade. So but I think it looks like it's gonna go down, so because it's not really real money, let me just put a sell there so that I can see whether I'm gonna make a profit on the downward trend. Okay, so I've made 2 trades. The good thing about Etoro, it's not going to eat your money like binary options where if you just miss the mark, your money is gone 50-50. You can keep the trades in as long as you want. You've got some overnight costs, some benefits, things like that. But as you can see here, you've got your trade that's going down. Yeah, it looks like it's going down. If you look at the candlestick is going to be bouncing off the top of the Bollinger brackets. Yeah, so I think I'm going to wait for it. I'm not going to close my buy trade, but my sell trade looks like it's going to be making sense. Okay, let me just minimize this. Generally, you can also look at the percentage on the size, the change within the general investment. Like here, you've got your 0.6% upward trends. People are selling it. Okay. So it looks like trade is not really running that fast, but yeah, that's online trading or the forex. You have to be patient, but okay, look, it's jumped and it's really fallen, and it's gone into the pips, because you won't really make a profit until it goes above a certain or falls a certain number of pips, because the brokers like Etoro would have to also make a spread within there. As you can see now, I've got a profit of $1.20. Okay, it's gone back to 50 cents, but basically if you make bigger trades, it will then give you a bigger profit, and the spread probably will be bigger. But yeah, I can't complain. I think I'm going to make a profit here, but I'm not going to close my buy, but my sell seems like it's going the right direction. But I know my buy, because it's a general upward trend, it's going to definitely move up. I'm not really sure when, but basically it should generally move up. Okay. Okay, I've got made $1.20. Okay, so